Hey guys, and welcome back to another tech tip. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make an AOL account. So first of all, to sign in to AOL, go to any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar, type in AOL.com. Hit enter. Then it will take you to the official homepage of AOL. And there, on the top right corner of the screen, you can see an option named Login/Join. You could also see the option on the left side of the screen. You can click on either of those, and then it will take you to this page where if you already have an account, you can simply log into your account. But if you don't have an account, you can create one account by clicking over here, or you could also sign in with Google or Yahoo. We will click Create an Account. And there, we will have to fill in all our details. After filling in all your details, click Continue. And then, if you click on Text me a verification code, it will send a verification code to your phone number. Check your phone and type in the verification code. After checking your phone and typing in the verification code, click Verify. And there, you have successfully created an AOL account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.